Have you ever felt like something is missing, even when everything seems fine? You laugh with people, scroll your phone, keep yourself busy all day, but deep down, there's this strange emptiness you can't explain. Like, no matter what you do, nothing truly feels enough, and over time, that feeling gets heavier, because you don't understand why it's there. It's not that your life is completely broken, but it also doesn't feel meaningful, and the truth is, this emptiness isn't random. There are hidden reasons behind it, and once you understand them, you can finally start feeling alive again. Emotional disconnection. Sometimes emptiness doesn't come from your life. It comes from being disconnected from your own emotions. Imagine this. You wake up, go through your day, talk to people, maybe even laugh. But deep down, you don't really feel anything. Like everything is just happening on the surface and you're not fully present in it. And this usually happens when you've spent so much time ignoring your feelings, your stress, your thoughts, that your mind slowly shuts them down to protect you. But in doing that, it also shuts down your ability to feel real happiness. And over time, you become emotionally numb. Not because nothing is happening in your life, but because you've stopped connecting with it. Fake dopamine happiness. Now imagine this. You feel a little bored, so you pick up your phone, start scrolling, watching videos, checking notifications, and for a moment, it feels good. Your mind gets a quick hit of pleasure, but the moment you stop, that empty feeling comes back even stronger. And this is because your brain is getting used to fast, easy dopamine instead of real, meaningful experiences. And slowly, normal life starts feeling dull, boring, and unsatisfying because it can't compete with instant entertainment. And this creates a dangerous cycle where you keep chasing quick happiness, but never feel truly fulfilled. And that's how this emptiness quietly grows inside you. No real purpose. Imagine waking up every day, doing the same routine, going through your tasks, staying busy, but at the end of the day, it still feels like nothing really mattered. Like you're moving, but not moving toward anything meaningful. And this happens when your life lacks a clear purpose. When you don't know what you truly want or why you're doing what you're doing, your actions start feeling empty because they're not connected to anything deeper. And over time, this creates a feeling of being lost where even if you're productive, even if you're busy, you still feel unfulfilled because your mind needs direction, something to move toward, and without that, life starts feeling like a loop, not progress. Loneliness inside. Now, think about this. You're surrounded by people, maybe friends, family, or even talking to someone online. You laugh, you respond, you stay connected, but deep down, you still feel alone. Like no one truly understands you, and this kind of loneliness isn't about being physically alone. It's about not feeling emotionally connected, not feeling seen or understood. And sometimes it happens because you don't open up. You don't express what you're really feeling, or you've gotten used to hiding your true self, and over time, this creates a gap between you and everyone else where you're present, but not truly connected. And that's when emptiness starts growing. Not because you have no people, but because you have no real connection. If you've been feeling this emptiness, understand this. There's nothing wrong with you, and you're not alone. This feeling doesn't mean your life is meaningless. It means something inside you is missing attention, connection, or purpose. And the truth is, you can't fill this emptiness with distractions, temporary pleasure, or staying busy all the time. Because real fulfillment comes from understanding yourself, reconnecting with your emotions, and building a life that actually means something to you. And that doesn't happen overnight. It starts with small awareness, small changes, and honest reflection. So instead of running away from this feeling, try to understand it, because sometimes emptiness isn't a problem. It's a signal that something in your life needs to change. And if this video helped you understand yourself a little better, make sure to subscribe for more.